What's cracking, Milks? Today I'm gonna be telling you why America is the greatest country in the entire planet by showing you how we celebrate America's 4th of July birthday party.
You're watching Zlatan Pachow.
In America, we love random people pulling up in the morning and doing stuff to our houses. USA! On 4th of July, you must have steak at least once, but I had it for all 3 meals. Every body of water must have a boat parade, or else the water just gets taken away. So this was the boat parade on my lake today. So I think I have a fish, but my fishing rod's like really, well, I do have a fish, but my fishing rod's really stuck. So I'm gonna go in the water and see what's up with that. So heading into the water, I know the lake pretty well because I swim a lot, and I know my area because I always wear goggles. Here I am just struggling on some rocks. At this point I was pretty sure it was under the dock, but I just, I just followed the line, kind of reeled it, and here I go under, and I realized where the fish is. It was just stuck under the dock, and I'm under, yeah, I think I have it at this point. And then I just made sure that I secured it, and I had it in my hand for a sec. I made sure the hook was tight. The hook was tight in its stomach, which is normally kind of hard to get out, but I know what I'm doing. You just go in through the gill plate and turn it like against it. Turn it against the way that it wants to go, the hook, and you just make sure that you don't pull anything too hard. Worst case, I'd cut the line to biodegrade, but thankfully that didn't happen, and here we go. Alright, so just as I had suspected, so I caught this fish, and it's a pretty good fish, honestly. But when I started reeling it in, it got caught. It got stuck under a dock. So I might have to get my pliers. Yeah, I have to get my pliers. So I'll be back in a second. We got the hook out of the fish. Just the important part. You see now go in the mouth. There's a little leech there. This fish is completely fine. Happy 4th of July, baby. So for lunch, I had a burger, second beef of the day. We're now on a pontoon boat. Want to say hi?
Hi.
What's your favorite thing about America as a country? So now it's time to do the great American pastime of wiffle ball. So it turns out that my British friend lied to me, and this was not actually wiffle ball. This was some strange game called, I forget if it was cockroach or cricket. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know, just kind of a worse version of baseball, being completely honest. You're just supposed to hit a bucket with a tennis ball. I was pretty confused. I got hit a couple times, but it wasn't that fun. I'm not gonna lie, it was quite awful, I must say. I had steak for my 3rd meal of the day and Cheez-Its. So tonight, 4th of July, the best and honestly only way to end a 4th of July is watching fireworks with your family and friends. I was fortunate enough tonight to spend it on a pontoon boat with my family. I watched some fireworks, I had some laughs, I listened to some Harry Styles, and I had a great day, appreciating the sacrifices that were made for my safety. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped teach you something. Have a great rest of your day.